Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be trying a Korean makeup on my face, so let's go. First off, I have this really old wig that I'm just going to use for my hair today, and this is actually an hair spray. I just kept it in my perfume bottle, so it's not a perfume, it's actually a hair spray. So I added a few hair clips to make it look more like, just to beautify it a little bit because it looks so plain, I guess. And this was just the pin I had at home. I don't have any extra pins. It's just, in fact, it's three different kind of pin. One is flower, one is another kind, and the last one is just so plain and shiny. Once I had hair in place, I just went ahead and just tied this back so I can work with it well, because I'm going to be putting on my makeup now. I took my brush and just shaped my brows and make them aligned, just so I could work with them better. And then I took my eye pencil and just feather through my brows. Since the Korean side out of beauty, their brows usually look so natural and not too bold, so I'm not doing anything loud. I'm just going through, just keep making it natural. So now I take my concealer and just try to, I took a little concealer so it could blend really well, so you won't know that there's anything really going on with my brows. So just a little concealer, and then I'm just going through the brows and making it neat and smooth. I took my blender and just tried to keep everything in place and make it look cool. And then I'm going to work on my eye next. I kind of use like a peachy pink color of eyeshadow. Nothing too loud, just something so simple and sweet, like the Korean. They're so cute. For my eyeliner, I'm just trying to do something really simple and kind of like a cat liner, I guess, but really simple and small. And yes, I decided to add a little wing to my lower line, just to pronounce my eyes a little, just get this little cattish look. Now I'm using my concealer to just smoothen this and make this really neat. Like, we don't want our eyes looking so unkempt and stuff. Now I'm going to use my eye pencil and just trying to darken inside of my eye, my eyelid a little bit. And finally, my foundation. So I'm just going to do this. I'll just let you watch. I guess this is actually very explanatory. If I need to talk, I'll talk again. At this moment, I wasn't sure if I was looking like a Korean or I was actually just doing a normal makeup, but let's just keep going and see how it turns out. And now just going with my powder and do my thing. Now for my nose, I'm going to be using this bronzer. It's a sunset color bronzer. I'm just going to use it to highlight my nose and my cheekbones. For my lips, I'm using a red cherry lipstick, and then I later decided to actually gloss it up. So I used some lip gloss, and you'll see that almost at the end of the video. And I am done with this Korean makeup style. It was actually Jennie inspired, but I wasn't actually trying to look like but I just did a kind of makeup, I guess. And I think I look gorgeous. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Jennie. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.